Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Truck. What I've got today is this Zeta ZR45 Padlock. It kind of has that smiley dimple core or dimple style keyway, but I guess technically the smileys are not dimples, they are sliders because they interact with a sidebar here. So they're going up and down. And then it has to fall, sidebar has to fall into the notches on those sliders. So there's the bitting. You can see there's some two very low no lifts at 1 and 5. I mean, so low that I actually had to cut the side of the key a little bit to get it so low. So all right, so I am going to be picking this with a dimple flag, and let's see, use this one. There we go. All right, and I'm gonna go all the way to the back, and what I'm doing is I'm just gonna try to get under each pin and just lift it a little bit, because you don't really get a lot of feedback until, or really any feedback, until you start getting some of them set, because all I'm doing is lifting. They feel kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, like a little bit, they're binding, but this, it's like dragging, and then when they free up, you just stop and go to the next one. Okay. Went through once. I'm gonna go to the back and I kind of do treat them like almost like tapers a little bit, because sometimes you got to go back on them and give them a little bit of a nudge, like right there. That one took a nudge. And this one feels like it's needing a nudge. Okay. And there we have it. So it is open. Alrighty. And this one is guttable. So I am going to gut this. So probably fast forward to shorten the video, but I am going to give it a gut and show you the inside. Alright, welcome back. So this is the core holder. You can see the groove right there for the sidebar. Sidebar is right here, had 2 springs, and all the pins were in the top. It was just covered by this cover. I just pop it up and it'll come out. Kind of interesting sidebar, the way it's got the springs kind of captured on there. Let me get it in center frame. See how they're captured. Then these are all the sliders with the gates. There are no false gates that I can feel or see. Maybe on the camera I can see a little bit more, but so that is that one. And I did see that this had this little disc in here. I'm not too sure if it's to prevent being able to maybe bypass the lock. I'm assuming, let's see, maybe it's like the American lock bypass, but I did find out if you take this out, it is no longer key retaining. So if you take this out, you can lock cylinder and leave the shackle open. So Not too sure. I'd have to look at it more to see. It's because without that there, I guess technically you could bypass this if you got something up that center and could fit that right side and pull down. There's no way to come in at the top, so had to be a very thin flag to bypass it. But with this in there, it can't. I know it can't be bypassed because the core has to turn with this in there. But anyway, interesting little lock. Thanks for watching.